Hello everyone, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. Today we are going to talk about the Bells coin, which is the idea of Doge, we can say, which was created before the Doge from the same developer who created Doge. And you can see Binance is also been mining it. You can check their tweets from 2013 2011 on their website link in the description, so don't miss that as well. You can check the allocation as well. This is completely unmined, so you can also mine it by using node on from their GitHub, which is linked also in the website. So you can go there and install on your Windows, then you can do that. You can also buy it on Git.io. It is also available. It has potential, so you can trade on it as well in the swing. Agree is also available in startup mining, so don't miss that. Mine that one as well. You can also get bonuses for trading magic in and move tokens, so don't miss these kind of opportunities. Have a good day, see you all around, and don't miss this Doge, the Bells node. It has huge potential. Have a good day, see you all around. Bye bye.